今日我哋嚟介紹一下澳洲最癲嘅模仿大賽。你哋有冇諗過，如果有一日你哋去澳洲沙灘行下嘅時候，突然見到10幾個 Robert Irons 一齊行出嚟，你會唔會覺得自己眼花呢？呢件事真係發生咗喎！最近 Sunshine Coast 嘅旅遊局咧，就喺當地 King Beach 嗰度咧，就搞咗一個叫做 Robert Irons 嘅模仿大賽。咁而呢一個點解要搞呢一個模仿大賽咧？就係為咗慶祝當地一個名人咧 Robert Irons 完成咗海外工作，翻嚟澳洲。咁啊，順便搞一啲活動俾大家開心一下嘅。就係因為有一個咁嘅模仿大賽咧，成班男人着晒卡其色嘅衫、短褲、皮帶，企喺個沙灘度，個個都好似去捉鱷魚咁樣，真係超搞笑啊！咁樣大家可能都會問邊一個係 Robert Irons 啊？你哋可能唔識佢，但我相信你哋一定識佢老豆。佢老豆就係鱷魚先生啦 ，Stephen Irons。當年咧，佢老豆都好出名㗎，喺 Discovery Channel 個個都睇住佢點樣徒手捉蟒蛇啦、捉鱷魚啦，相當之出名。但係好可惜啊，鱷魚先生Stephen 咧喺2006年一個拍攝嘅期間咧，意外咁樣俾Stingray 咧刺中身亡嘅。當年係一個好大嘅新聞，咁香港都有報導㗎。咁Stephen 出咗事之後咧，媒體咧就將焦點放咗喺佢個仔女身上啦。咁包括佢個大女啦、Binding 啦，同埋佢個細仔 Robert 嘅。當年咧佢個仔仲係相當之細，但係而家我哋再睇翻Robert 已經變成一個型男啦，十足十Stephen 咁。我哋講翻個比賽先，最後咧個比賽咧就由當地一個爸爸阿 Ben 咧就攞咗冠軍嘅。咁但係成件事最搞笑係咩咧？最搞笑嘅就係Robert 咧本人咧，最後咧就邀請阿 Ben 去佢自己個動物園，兩個人一齊着住卡其色嘅衫，一齊做 wild test， 一齊拎蛇面對動物。連阿 Robert 佢自己都講笑咁講 ，Hang on， 邊個先係我自己啊？真係連兩人似到連自己都 confuse。
Let's go. Wait, what? This is actually kind of uncanny. Robert, how are you, man?
Good to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you.
How good?
Holy moly! This actually is kind of weird, man. Look at this. Dude, there's two of us now. About time.
Crazy.
Well, I got to see just how Robert Irwin you really are. How do you go with snakes?
I go right.
How do you go with giant snakes?
I don't know.
All right, let's do it. All right, so you want to just kind of support that weight?
Yeah.
How you feeling, mate? You all good?
Feeling good.
Good?
Yeah. Leg day.
How good's that?
咁樣其實 Irons 一家人對澳洲人嚟講，唔單止淨係明星，仲係大家一個集體嘅回憶。其實咧，澳洲人真係好中意自嘲嘅，同埋一啲咁樣 community 嘅活動，同一啲名人咧一齊玩嘅，都係澳洲人生活嘅一種方法。如果大家對呢條片有啲咩睇法或者意見想發表嘅話，歡迎大家喺 comment 嗰度留言。同埋，如果大家中意一啲澳洲比較搞笑啲嘅新聞嘅話，記得 like、subscribe 同 share 啦。多謝各位。